Hello friends, welcome to this video on Python programming, and in this video we are going to take a look at what are the extensions needed so that we can make our Python code run. So as you can see that I have created one file a.py, okay, and it is having a very simple print statement, okay. It is supposed to print hello world, okay. So I want to run this code, okay. So before I run that code, okay, what I want is I should have the proper Python extensions so that it runs smoothly. So in order to do that, what you need to do is you need to go to the left hand side, okay, and you see the extensions icon here. So click on that and then search for Python, okay. So when you do that, it will show you Python Intellisense, okay, from Microsoft. So click on that and you will see that it will give you an option to install this. I already have it installed, okay. So I will uninstall it, okay. And now you see you will see something like this, okay, install. So click on install and it's saying installing, and now it has installed, right? Okay, now the second thing, okay, that you will need is the CodeRunner. So search for CodeRunner here and click on that, and CodeRunner is already installed in my system, as you can see. So let me uninstall it for you and I will reinstall it. So now you just have to click on, you will see like this, okay. You have to click on the install button. So click on that and it's already installed. So extension is enabled globally, okay. So this is how the two extensions we needed. One is the Python from the CodeRunner, okay, and second extension was that PySense. So these are the two, and now let me go to the Explorer again at the top, okay, and I have my Python project. You can close this, okay, extension window, extension tab, and now we have this program, okay. Let me save my file, Command S, okay, and now let me run my code. So this triangular button you're seeing, right, it says run Python file. So click on that and you see we have got our output hello world, okay. So that means that our Python, okay, is working properly and all our extensions are properly installed. And one more thing, in case there's usually a pop-up, okay, for the Python interpreter also, you have to install that. In case you have not done that, okay, you will also need to do that. So for that you can go to view, command palette, and now here you will have this Python select interpreter. Click on that, and now whichever Python you have already installed on your system, say 3.10.7 64-bit, okay, so this is the one that I am using. So it will show you the recommendation here, okay. So whichever is recommended, so that will be based on what is already installed. In case you want to use a different version, okay, you can select that, but for me it is showing the recommended version as 3.10.7 because I had installed 3.10.7 on my system. In case you have 3.9 or 3.7, you will have that recommendation. So you can just click on that and the Python interpreter will start working fine. So these are the steps, okay, to set up Python in Visual Studio Code so that your code runs smoothly, okay, without any problems. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.